What's good, YouTube? This is Double Over Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop back on camera to give you another review of the textbot AI. And textbot AI is an SMS marketing tool that I use to promote my primary businesses. And I have like lots of businesses that I promote that I use with this. It helps me out tremendously, and this is what I use on my daily operations to promote and to get leads, to get that exposure that you need for your business through SMS marketing. And if you think about it, SMS marketing is very, very powerful. When you look around, everybody is on their cell phone. Everybody has a mobile device that they use, and 90% a person, if you send something out to them and they see their text message, they gonna look at it and they're gonna check it out. And about like 30 to 90 seconds, they're gonna be looking at their phones and be like, wow, they're gonna go back and check it because they got their devices on them. And you will have more people on their mobile phone than they do at their regular desktop computers. So if you think about it, you can literally promote to these people that has those mobile devices, and you'll get more leads. The open rates of a text message of a mobile device user is 98% of an open rate versus email marketing that's 25%. So that goes to show you that it's very powerful to use that in your daily operation. So that's what textbot AI comes into play. And you ask yourself, what is textbot AI? It is a virtual assistant by the name of Ava. Ava is the virtual assistant that helps pre-sale your leads and also close your leads all on autopilot. And there's very other features that help Ava to add on, as far as like keywords. If you program Ava to use certain keywords, you can use, and you can have Ava speak on your behalf on that keyword that you adjust. But this is something that's very, very brilliant in mind. And when I first started marketing, I was really doing email marketing. And email marketing is still effective. But see, with this, you could also give it a 1-2 punch. You could use this to capture the person with SMS marketing, and then you can also follow up with the email marketing. So they can both work hand in hand if you really think about it. And I know a lot of beginners out there, they try to figure out, what source to get the most traffic. We all have that thought of, where can I find the best traffic? What can help grow my business, starting out. And you also think about, with little or nothing, because, you don't have much money coming in the business when you first starting out. You don't have anything to pay to get the most exposure. So you're doing everything for free. So, but, of course, with text messaging marketing, you just pay a little bit just to receive and send out messages. But just think about that. You invested into yourself in order for you to get back double times what it's worth, if that makes any sense. So that's what textbot AI allows you to do. And so here in the back office, you can see when you sign up with textbot AI, you have your own personal cell phone number that's assigned to you. With this cell phone number, you're allowed to share this number right here. You're allowed to share this number and give it out to your leads for them to text or call that number. And then that's when Ava would be activated. Ava would take that lead, and Ava got a conversation that she has to get your lead to be able to click, and then to follow. Once that lead follow that process, Ava will give them a link for them to click on to your opportunity. Now, how incredible is that? And that's what the benefits of SMS marketing does. It gives that leadway, for you to get those leads through text message marketing. Very powerful. And also, you also have your own affiliate link, which you can also use on different social media sites. I use this, sometimes on Facebook, Instagram, all of the above, and I know a lot of people who probably had tried this before. They may not had much success, or they probably got in with a sponsor and they got left hanging. And I could truly understand that. When you in affiliate marketing, sometimes it could be lonely out there because you're doing everything on your own. You're trying to seek for answers, and you're trying to figure out how everything works. You're so excited about the product, you're so excited about the compensation plan, but you literally don't have any clue on how to promote it. And that's what I'm all about. I'm all about helping people promote their opportunity, helping people see another perspective on how they can brand themselves. And that is the name of the game. So you can see here in Ava on the left hand side, this is where the conversation starts with Ava. You can see how Ava sets how the chatting bot talks. Now you could talk on your behalf as well as talk on Ava's behalf. If you hover over here and click, you see where it says you and Ava. This is where you could talk, leaving regular message to follow up with that lead. And then you can just also have Ava just continue the conversation, And, she makes sure that she gets the person's name, email, so she can be able to send out those different information. This is where all your chats is at for people who interacted, who either clicked on your lead or text on your lead. These are the settings. These are the custom keywords. Now, what the custom keywords does, it allows you to program any keyword that can trigger Ava to speak. So let's say, for instance, if you say make money, whoever types of it, any lead types of make money, you get to bring up whatever message you want them to see. So that could also include, like, if you want to send one of your text links, anything like that. So that's what makes it powerful. You can see, like, the volume right here on the side. You can see where, like, how many people triggered that particular keyword. This is the resellers tab right here. This shows where your links are at, like how many links that you set for this platform, your presentation leads. This is where you go to join the Facebook group. This is where you get your resources as far as like banners, where as far as things that you could post on social media. Also, you can get email swipes, copy for when you're sending out automatic emails for follow-up. It shows your pending payments, any payments that you have pending, commission history. This shows who are on your team. This is your leverage line. And this is showing you right here the leaderboard. And one thing I like, they have training. And these training be updated. So you can come back here, check out the training. Whenever you get stuck, they have this thing every Tuesday called textbot Tech Talk Tuesday. You can get in and enroll in and register so you can be able to see those live webinars. And they're very, very helpful. If you have any questions, whoever the host in that webinar, you can be able to get your questions answered. If not there, you can always go to the Facebook group and answer questions, and the support team will get in touch with you very, very quickly. So SMS marketing is very helpful. So I advise anyone who uses this, go and get signed up with textbot.ai. It's a one-time fee of $100 to get started. And this allows you to be able to have the whole system and to be able to resell it. If you like to upgrade to Ava Plus, the first time before 24 hours is $500, and it's $750 to get the Ava Plus, where you could be able to receive those $500 commissions. You could be able to blast all of your leads. You could text blast all of your leads. So they got like a lot of features. You could be able to have customizable Ava bots. You could have different numbers for different types of opportunities. And like I said before, this is very, very helpful. So if this video does some good to you, why don't you leave your comments below. If you need any help, you can always reach me on Facebook. That link will be in the description of the video. Make sure you also like and subscribe to this channel. And, you know, I come up with daily tips and tricks for your own marketing, you know, just to help you out, and all the strategies that I use to grow my business, how I develop traffic. You could, check out my channel, and I got various videos describing, different types of method of income streams that I use and opportunities that I'm a part of. And if you are interested in those different opportunities, check out the channels in my channel. Make sure you check that out. All right, this is 𝗖mě with 𝗖cie. Thank y'all for watching this video. I see y'all in the next video.